Your next car could be the 2019 Toyota Camry. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, stability control. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.